Hi guys, if your car is maintained strictly according to manufacturer's recommendations, it would be alright. Is it a right statement? Not really. To be honest, the right answer is not at all. But today let's focus on one important problem. Almost no agency or repair shop would recommend you to maintain it regularly. However, not doing it can ruin your engine anytime. Cooling system is one of the main parts of your car, and as it is obvious from the name, it helps to cool down the engine. Let's have a quick look on the modern car cooling system. There are two main goals of this system. The first one is to make coolant circulating around the engine, and the second one is to keep coolant in the right temperature. And the second goal can be managed only by radiator. Its main goal itself to decrease the temperature of coolant inside the system. And the radiator can do it only by intaking air from outside. When you are on the move, then radiator takes air naturally, and when you stand, then fans help to do it. So how manufacturers would recommend you to service cooling system? Yes, you are probably right. They would usually recommend you to change coolant every 2 or 3 years. And of course it is very important, but it's not enough for right functioning of cooling system. You should also properly clean the radiator itself with removing it, and you should do it also regularly, like every 2 years. So the most confident way to do it, of course, is with changing coolant. That's how your radiator looks when you haven't cleaned it for about 5 years. And I believe that you can guess how it works in such condition. Of course, it works for maximum 50% of its power. And if we talk about modern cars, just one overheating can lead you to engine death. By the way guys, please press the like button if you enjoy and find helpful this video, and subscribe for more practical advices on cars. Especially, or I would say it is much more important, for very powerful turbocharged engines. Let's say when you have more than 100 horsepower from 1 liter of engine. If you have a sport car or a sport version of a standard car like BMW M Series, Mercedes AMG, then I would recommend you to clean radiators every season. So, if you are an owner who never cleaned radiators, just schedule it right now. It is very important. And one more time, just to remind you, it can ruin your engine anytime. Yes, of course, it can cost some extra money, but for sure it would be at least 10 times cheaper than buying new engine. Thank you and see you soon, or right now if you click one of these videos, and I hope you will enjoy them as well.